Okay, so we're setting up the camera right now. We might get in your way a little bit, but we're just trying to make this very secure so it doesn't fall.
What we're doing is we're going to shoot a video. If you've heard of a Green Machine, it's a little bike. It looks like a trike, but it's like a big kid's bike. And they used to make them in the 70s, but they just came out with a new one, and I got one for Christmas. So we're making a helmet cam right now, is what we're doing. And I'm going to do a 180, and we're going to see if we can get it on YouTube. So if we can, that'll be sweet. If not, don't be too disappointed. We're going to need it more secure on that side. Alright, so we're finishing up the helmet cam. And if you guys have any comments, leave them on the comment bar, you know.
We might be able to get to them, maybe not. I usually check my comments a lot.
And if you guys have any other ideas for videos we can do, because if you've seen some of our other videos on YouTube, we just do dumb crap sometimes. And we put it on YouTube. So if you guys have seen some of our other videos, you know, leave comments on those. Give us ideas for things that we could do.
Anything stupid.
Dumb crap, pretty much.
Let's put one on this side.
If it's dumb, we like it.
Pretty much.
That's true. And it's sad. Alright, well, helmet cam's pretty tight, so we're going to be taking off here in just a sec. Hunter, you ready? Okay, Landon, we're going to videotape now.
Oh, God. I'm freaked out. I don't want this baby to fall. For a long time.
Okay, it's not going to fall now. Alright, we're putting on the helmet cam. We'll be taking off from the Green Machine real soon. Helmet is too small.
Okay, but the helmet cam is... So you're going to have to look down when you do it.
Alright, I'm going to look... If I look up on this camera, just don't be too disappointed, because it's kind of aimed up at the sky.
Wait. Make sure this is all gone. They're good. Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna take it off. I'm gonna spin around and go up the street, and I'm gonna come back down. That's what I'm gonna spin.
As you can see, we did it!
Get off.
We did it.